day 2 here in Singapore. And ngayon, nagbe-breakfast kami dito sa isa siyang parang food court na maraming like food options. And then and meron silang like legit iced coffee na very good. As in, pag inom mo nito, buhay talaga yung buhay. Buhay nakakabuhay talaga siya. So, if marami kayong like activities, I suggest na start your day with a good coffee na parang kung sa atin like Barako coffee. Yeah, kasi mare-retain niya talaga yung energy ninyo.
This one, no, it's just a popular Singaporean breakfast. It's some kind of like butter toast, and you dip it in a semi-soft boiled egg. Ready?
Go. Oh.
They're soft boiled.
Oh, okay.
Usually you're supposed to sprinkle salt or pepper. Sarap.
Malakat-lakat na tayo. Burn na lang.
This is some kind of Singaporean toast. You dip it. Ay, matamis? Vietnam mo. Masarap. Matamis. Kaya pala ilagay sa egg para salt and sweet. Ito laban. Itong pambabalan.
So, trying this toast in malasado egg.
Really good.
This is really good, guys.
Diba, mag-food.
Wait lang, ako mintay.
Dito ako, baka muna ako maubos.
Spicy yan. Konting spice.
So good.
Baka mataliwa eh.
Really, really good. Guys, kakalabas lang namin sa Hokkien. Oh, what was
Chinatown Food Center.
Yeah, Chinatown. Hokkien gila. Chinatown Food Center. And masarap naman talaga yung food, pero like
Well, on our
overestimate.
defense, we didn't know how big was the portion. So, order
Yeah.
na tayo ng order.
So, if nakita nyo kami doon, don't judge us. Yeah. So, sobrang busog namin, as in super. Hello guys, so nagtayo na ako ng buhok. So we've done the mummy ride like this, Egypt something, and grabe, humiwala yung body ko sa kaluluwa ko level.
Has to be on at all
Oh my gulay.
It was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
times. Wear your mask throughout the ride. Once again, wear
So,
your
yeah.
mask throughout the ride. Thank you.
Dami pa. Holy shit!
Day 4 in Singapore. So aga pa kami guys. It's 6 a.m. 6 a.m. and early. And ako man. Paus. So yeah, we are early kasi nga kahapon nag-Universal Studios kami. And pagbalik namin ng hotel, sobrang pagod namin. Kaya natulog na lang kami. Hindi na nga kami nakapag-dinner. So, yun, natulog na lang kami. So early kami na nagising now. So yeah, papunta kami ngayon to get our coffee. So yeah, so early. Napansin ko kasi dito guys is late yung sunrise, and then yung sunset is late din. Like ngayon 7 a.m. na, madilim pa, then 7 p.m. maliwanag pa. Like that. OOTD check. OOTD check. Okay, so nasa second floor kami ngayon ng bus.
Finally!
Finally.
Floor ng SG bus.
Ay, tayo lang tao dito, so vlog to the max.
Ito pala ang advantage pag maaga ka.
Skypark Observation Deck. You can view the entire Singapore here.
next day.
Good morning, guys. And we are staying in Furama City Center. And gusto ko nang i-share sa inyo yung room na kinuha namin. So, mag-room tour tayo ngayon. So, nilalagay dito yung key card, but inopen ko na siya. So, yep. Close ko lang. So, when you enter the room, that's the room. This is the CR. So, ito yung CR. May bathtub siya. Then, shower. And then, here's the toilet. Yep. Then, merong konting walkway. As mapapansin nyo, wala doon yung sink because the sink is really outside. So, here's the sink. And there is lalagyan ng clothes and all that, lalagyan ng shoes and all that. There is a mini fridge and there are complimentary. So pa-check out na kami, so nagamit na namin yung iba. So there are like heater, complimentary teas, coffee, sugar and all that. Yep, and merong fridge and merong safe. And there is this table. Yeah. Towel namin yan. So, don't worry about that. So, meron siyang table. And then, this is the room. So, meron TV. And then, meron side table dyan. And then, 3 beds siya actually kasi 6 kami. So, we got 2 rooms like this and then 3 beds each. So, actually, 3 beds to siya. So, sorry magulo kasi nga pa-check out na kami. So, here's the bed. And there's another bed na tinabi lang namin kasi nga dalawa lang kami. Kasi hindi na namin nagamit yung other bed. Pero 3 beds siya actually. Yep. And then, naka-charge pa yung mga things namin. And then, meron lang siyang parang seat dyan. You can extend your feet like that. And lalagyan ng luggage. And, yep. Our room is kita yung ilalim, yung like front desk.